Hello and welcome to a video from filmsbychris.com. That's Chris with a K. I'm Chris with a K. Today we've been playing with our Android shell, the default Android shell on your system, which technically is the MK shell. And what are we going to do today? We're going to do something really simple. I hope you watched the first two videos in this series. I can run this command, which brings me into my config file, but that's something that I've created. I can also, as sudo, I can vi because I have that installed, and I can modify this file. Same thing, I just have this little function here that I typed earlier that modifies that. But something that I want to set up that I keep doing is normally when I'm in the shell and I'm doing stuff like this and I want to clear the screen, I hit Control L. Well, that doesn't do anything for me here. I have to type in clear, which is kind of annoying. I don't want to do that. I want to hit Control L and clear my screen. So how can we add that to our config file? So I'm going to, again, going to my config file, which is we set up using Magisk and modules. But I'm going to add a bind here. It's a key bind. So I'm going to say key bind, and again, there'll be notes in the descriptions to all this. I'm going to say quotation marks. This is the caret symbol. It means Control L, and we're going to set that equal to clear screen. Now I exit out of that. Clearing the screen doesn't work, and at this point you would have to reboot your system in most cases to remount that, or you can run this command, which I've already run, so it should automatically do it. But I have to exit out of my shell. But now, when I go back into my shell, if I was to list something out, I should be able to hit Control L, and the screen is cleared. So that's how you can set a key binding to a command. And yeah, you could also do things. Now I'm going to get off. This is not part of the tutorial, but I'm going to try something. I should be able to do something like this. Bind. I'm going to say caret and K equals, and I'm going to say, I don't know, what do I can say, I can write anything in here. Vi SD card notes dot txt. So if I run that, or save that, exit out, go back in, oh, there's a, okay, so that didn't work like I thought it would. Let's see. Like I said, I'm playing around now. You're learning with me. Can I do that? Or, you know what? I might have to put it in single quotes. Yes, let's try that. This was going to be a real short video, so now I'm like, let's add some random things I don't think I know how to do. No, it's not working like I thought it would. I thought I'd be able to hit Control K and have it type that command out. Let me look at my notes here. Let's go ahead and no such editing command. Oh, I think I know. Looking at my notes here. That's why we have notes. When I was playing around with this, I think that's what I want. Yes, now I can hit Control K and it types that out for me. And then I can hit Enter. So you can have preset key combinations that types a command out for you if you want. I don't know. I'm trying to think of a scenario where you might want to do that, but I mean, I guess I would just create an alias to something short, but I guess you could just have a key combination. So again, if you want, so clear screen is something that's built into this shell that when I hit that, it runs it. But if you do -M and give it a key combination, you can just give it some text. And instead of running that command, it will type it out at the shell. And then you can hit enter to run it or add to that command. So yeah, I'm going to delete that because I don't want it. Save it. But I hope you found this useful. Kind of a short video, and I kind of went off on a little tangent there because I figured I had the time. But we're making our shell pretty useful, I think. I thank you for watching, and as always, I hope that you have a great day.